All right, welcome back to another video. We're on stream here with my friend Terry. Little stream, low water, but we hear there's some 12-inch fish in here. We've got the Tanuki Pocket Ninja 290 and a green level line, a little weighted fly to start. And we're just gonna see how we do. It's beautiful. It's probably like high 60s. I'll get the water temperature in a little bit. Terry's got some fancy new shoes, some Montbell Japanese, they call them shower climbing shoes because that's the rough translation of waterfall. Yep, a little more. No, down. Yeah, got it. I'm going over that one. What are you on, the Traveler 270?
Traveler 270.
Sweet.
7-foot level line, 3.5 with
Nice.
a little size 12 brass beadhead.
Little brass nymph, yeah.
Yeah.
AliExpress special.
Exactly.
These conditions seem kind of perfect for these short, stiffer rods.
Yeah.
The grip on those shoes is really good.
Yeah, it's real good.
I'll have to get a little close up of those. Oh, I just spooked one. They got a zipper, like nothing's getting in those things. They're high tops, but they're soft. And then he's got the ankle protectors over the top, so like he's not gonna get any gravel or sand in there at all. It's funny to be in a creek, just like you're wading through leaves. I feel like I'm in Star Wars in that scene where they're in the trash compactor. There we go.
Whoa, nice one.
In the net, buddy. In the net. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Yes! All right, on the board. Oh, wow. Fat, healthy. Wow, really, really heavy fish. All right, let's see.
Is that like a
By the net, it says, stop squirming. 11.
11?
Yeah,
Yeah, dude.
it's pretty good. Pretty good first fish. Healthy fish. Beautiful fish. There you go, bud. See you later. Whoa! Oh, ah! Oh, whoa! Whoa! I went for a swim. Okay, wow, I just went for a swim. Before I set out, I put all the batteries for all my devices in here, which was really smart because the water level just came up to here. I stepped down off this rock and just slid. And underneath that huge pile of leaves is about 5 feet of water. Oh, wow. Do I have anything else in my pockets that's now ruined? No. Okay, good. Terry was just saying how last place he fished, there wasn't these trees overhead. And while this is charming, just bow and arrow casting is not the most fun sort of Tenkara. Half the joy is in the casting and being able to place it where you want and doing a little bit of sharpshooting to your spot. Yeah, for streams like this Tanuki is pretty stiff. It still casts very accurately, but it's great because it's the short length, then it's really stiff, and so it fights the fish well, you can control it well, especially if you're just bow and arrow casting, you know, you don't need the finesse of the overhead cast quite as much. Although, like I said, this is still quite pleasurable and quite accurate, so this is a great rod. I've got these 2 little red line winders on it that kind of flick down and disappear. Those are nice. This is sort of hilarious because there's a big fish. I just saw it under the water right there. I got the camera in.
I have zero control.
And there's nowhere for him to go. He's trapped in the trees.
Trapped under branches.
He's certainly seen me because he's facing this way.
Yeah.
All right, enough underwater camera, back to fishing. Back to fishing. All right. Yep. Yep. There's a fish. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Not under the rock. Over here. Over here.
Nice one. Nice one.
Beautiful little fish. Love it. All right, so we just fished this. Something big broke Terry off because there was a stick lying across the pool there. So he's tying another fly on, and he's gonna catch whatever's in here. There, oh. There we go, there's a fish. Nice. Okay, Terry caught one. Now it's my turn. This is a multiple fish pool for sure. Ow. Just lacerated my thumb with the hook on the cast. There we go.
Nice.
Another one. This one's net worthy. In the net. Yes.
Real nice.
Look at his eye. Look at the green. Wow, that's beautiful. My goodness. Okay, back in the water. All right, as you saw from that footage, there's at least a dozen fish in this pool just hanging out. They're all probably spooked at this point, but I figured I'd put the fly through one or two more times, just for good measure. It's interesting, each pool is different in the way the currents flow and the way the water, moves around the structure. But this one is just fantastic because you can put the fly in the little inlet waterfall and the fly will flow right to where the fish are. Sounds like Terry just caught a little 9-incher. First cast in the next pool. So let's caught a leaf, but let's do one more cast in here and then let's move. Underwater camera is so cool because it's like, you might be fishing this, they're so well camouflaged, and you might be like, oh, there's no fish in here. And the underwater camera just shows you that there's tons of them. All right, moving up. Where do I gotta go? 11-inch? Nice. Give me a little close-up. Oh, dude. That's a sweet fish. That is a great fish. Look how fat, too.
Yeah, it's really healthy.
Dude, that's a great fish.
Yeah.
Now we got some sidearm casting room. Got sticks here, but also a really good whirlpool of foam. Yep, there's a fish. There's a big one. Oh, it's off! Got caught in the sticks. Yeah, he must have ducked under a branch. There we go. There's a fish. Oh, I didn't set it. That was another good size one. Didn't set it hard enough. See, I'm so shy about setting it because I'm going to tangle in the branches that I miss out on 8-inch fish like that. There we go. That was a better set. Yep. Oh. Losing fish left and right up in here. A lot of fish though, that's nice. Probably another one. Yep, another one. Okay, this one get in the net. Oh, it came off again! Oh. That's 3 fish. I caught one right there, and I caught 2 more out of here, and they both flipped off. There's another one. Maybe I can hit it from here, but you probably got a better angle on it. Oh, nailed it. Oh, nailed it and caught a fish. Got one. No, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. It came off again. Oh my God, that's 4 in a row. God, I'm on the stick. No, no. 4 lost fish in a row. Unbelievable, and there's definitely some more down there. Unbelievable. Oh, dude. Dude. So many fish in this pool. Okay. There he is. Yep. There's another big one right where that guy just took. There's another big one. Bigger. Get in the net. Get in the net. Look how white this fish is. All right, so we just caught 3 really good fish out of here. Double. Come here, guy. Look at how white this one is. This is amazing. So bright. Incredible. Here you go, bud. And then the big one. How big are you? 6 plus 6. 12 inches.
12?
Yeah. There you go. Coming in. Ready? See you, dude.
The left side.
Got one. I'll bring him down here so I don't spoil it.
That's a really good fish.
If it gets in the net. No, not in the sticks, not in the sticks.
Fine.
Yeah! Nice fish. Here you go, bud. Look at your green eye again. Oh, beautiful eyes. All right, there you go, bud. See ya. Yeah, there's really good flow coming there, flow coming here, right in here. I bet there's a ton of fish in there. Whoa! Launched him.
It's like
Little pocket-sized rainbow. So that's probably what they're eating. All right, let's see what the drone will do. Got a knot in my level line. That's not good. That's what I like about these pants. So you can just park your rod in the pocket. There we go. There's the American Dipper again. Guess I could talk a little about the rod. I switched over to the Oni 7.3 Honryu. It's much softer than the Tanuki. I also put on a little bead head, so got a little bit of weight to it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. Very, very dark.
Oh, look at the red stripe too.
Yeah.
Nice fish. All right, fishing's going well. Look at all this gear. The drone just clips to my, it's so lightweight that it doesn't get even injured. And right there, it's not gonna get hurt unless I take a big fall. But yeah, the drone clips there, camera batteries so they don't get wet, which was very helpful because when I took that swim on minute like 3 of being here, all those camera batteries would have been wet if they had been anywhere lower than my chest area. And the drone clipping there is pretty awesome too. Why am I trying to film and walk? I'm really not a smart person. Anyway, I'm on the Oni Honryu now with a double glass speedhead fly. See how we do. Jason class number 12. Fish love this stuff. Double glass speedhead right out of the gate, big fish. I knew it. This is such a good fly. Such a good fly. No, out. Out of here. Good little fish. All right, this looks good. I'd love to try to get a drone follow shot of getting a fish.
Oh, yeah.
I see a fish up top. Yeah. Oh, no, stick. Okay, here we go. Let's get a fish. There we go. There's a fish. That's a good fish.
Good one.
That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. It's a really good fish.
You got it.
Gotta get the line. No, under a rock. Come here, dude. Wow, silvery rainbow in the net. Yes! Awesome. Another beautiful, bright white one.
Is that a 10? I saw a 4.
6 and 5.
6 and 5?
Yeah.
Wow.
6.
Oh, he's all marked up.
6 and 5.
He has some,
I mean, yeah.
external damage on him.
Like these fish have
Nice one.
probably been caught a lot.
Yeah.
They're like just white. Beautiful. See you later, bud. All right, just for fun, I switched rods again. Now I'm on the Nissin Tenkara Mini 320, which is a rod I love. It casts wonderfully, has a super flexible tip. It's a real joy to cast. The tip flex means it casts like an Oni rod, where you don't need a lot of hand motion to cast it. It's just this, and it throws the lightweight level line beautifully. It's just a wonderful rod to cast. It's my favorite pocket rod for sure. Let's fish. This is like the picture of LA fishing right here. Anywhere near a city, people are going to leave their mark / destroy the nature.
Yeah, destroy nature.
Still manages to be beautiful. I don't know how, but. I know, I love it. It's so beautiful. And the way the leaves are ringing it. All right, so a little fly change. You can see it used to have 2 glass beads. Now it has 1. The wire wrap's a little messed up. Maybe that's affecting it, although that should probably still catch fish. But either way, going with a little Idaho killer. We'll see what happens. Nice fish. Fatty.
Yeah.
The sun shining on them spots.
Yeah. Dude, and guess where he came out of?
The foam.
The foam.
I do.
I went right around the corner to the foam, instant take.
The foam. The first cast foam fish. Love it.
What a beautiful one. You are a beautiful
Oh, that's a great fish. That's like a picture perfect fish. Wow. I feel like if I can't pull something out of this pool, I should just go home. No. Yes. No. Took my fly. Yeah, so there's got to be a big fish in there.
Yeah.
We've had no luck in this hole. Let's do it. right, this is one of those frustrating times when you know there's fish here. I just put the camera in the water. It's like a dozen fish down there. We both fished it before I put the camera in the water. No bites, still no bites. Fish are just not biting. It's crazy. I had just turned the camera off and he got one. A good sized one too, that was the big one. Awesome. Nice flip. There you go, now we can leave.
That only took 20 casts, 8-incher.
Nice. All right, now we can move on. There we go. That's a good fish. Okay. Don't go down the falls. Don't go down the falls. Come here. That's a good sized fish. Net, net, net. Yes. There we go. Nice little fish. And that'll do it. Got my one last fish out of there. Thanks for coming along. I ended on the Pocket Ninja 290. Just a quick thoughts about the rods. The 290 throws a bead head better, and it's very stiff, so it's very easy to control the fish. It's a great small stream rod. I think this was actually my favorite of the rods today, just because the steerability of we were catching, 10-inch fish. I think we even had an 11 and 12, and it was so easy to steer them with this. Even with the Oni Honryu, it's much softer than this. And so when you hooked into one, it was not quite as easy to steer them. And the Oni cast the unweighted flies and the slightly weighted flies better. I think, just like it was more enjoyable casting experience, but I'd say 70% of what we were doing today was bone arrow anyway. And this works great for that. And this is better casting the bead head. Just feel like you have more control over the bead head because the rod flexes less. And then the 320 ended up just being too long for this stream. I fished it a little bit, but everything felt, there was when it opened up, there was a couple places where the reach was good, and the rest of the time I wished I was on a shorter rod. So I think this Tanuki Pocket Ninja is the winner today. And now I'm stuck on my tip on the branch again. So with that, thanks for coming along. We'll see you next time. Terry just said something died here. Check it out. That's a bear. That's bear paw right there.
Wow.
I wonder if it smelled like death. Nice view. Sketchy trail.